Cyclone Darian has explosively intensified overnight and is now a Category 4 tropical cyclone on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Darian currently has winds of 130 miles per hour, a pressure of 941 millibars, and it is moving south-southwest at 6 miles per hour. Here's Darian's current location at 13.9 degrees south, 92.9 degrees east. Here's our current forecast, where we think it's probably peaking right now, although we said that yesterday, and, well, it was a minimal Category 2, and it ended up getting all the way up to Cat 4, clearly. But here's our current forecast. We have it going down to Category 3 by tomorrow. Well, actually going down to Category 3 by the end of the day. Watch us say that, and then it becomes a Cat 5. That'd be hilarious. You guys can bully us in the comments if that does happen, if it just becomes a Cat 5 later today. But it does go down to Category 1 in about 2 days. So it loses major cyclone status in about 1.5 days. It goes down to Cat 1 and then starts intensifying, gets back up to Category 2 in 3 days. Here's the current wind field. It is around what it was yesterday, before it became a Cat 2. Because if you remember the last update, the update when it became a Category 2, there were 2 of them for Cat 2. There was one last night and one yesterday afternoon. The one yesterday afternoon, the wind field actually shrunk a little bit. But it's back up to around what it was when it was Category 1. It's slightly larger, I think, though. Maybe, 5-10 miles larger. Here is Darian on the GFS. Why the GFS has it at 973? 941, okay, so they're actually going the same stuff. But, just pretend that number is 941, okay, guys? Get out of here after Cyclone. But right here, they have it going down to Cat 2 very quickly, and then re-intensifying back up to a Cat 3. Multiple times, actually, and then we getting down to a Cat 2, then strengthening to a Cat 3, then going down to Cat 2, and then going down to Cat 1, and then eventually, turning extratropical. And that is an extratropical transition there. And that is the end of Cyclone Darian, and right behind it, what is that? A Category 1 cyclone hit the western coast of Australia. And then goes out over where Darian was. And then another storm hits the western coast of Australia. But this is the only interesting thing we got. Perfection. Other than the fact that this is a perfectly circular. Darian's cloud tops are reaching up to around minus 95. So is that impressive or what? That's pretty freaking impressive. And actually, I do want to point something out. It looks like a backwards Hurricane Dorian. I'm gonna put up a picture of Hurricane Dorian, although Hurricane Dorian was significantly stronger than this. It was 190 miles an hour if you didn't see the 2019 Atlantic hurricane season animation. But it's kind of weird that they have similar names, and Darian kind of just is a backwards Dorian. Because, if you flip it around, it kind of does look like Hurricane Dorian. Dorian looked a lot better because Dorian had, a minus 110 cloud tops. But anyway, that was the update for Cyclone Darian becoming a Category 4 tropical cyclone. Like, subscribe, and